To Terraspatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete fields in ArcGIS. So in this example, you can just see over here. So this is my area of interest, and you can see there are a lot of fields which are available. So it might be around 16 fields are available right now. So I am going to delete the unwanted fields. So let us see how to do it. Open the Arc toolbox, and in that select data management tools. Come down to the option fields, and now select delete field. So before performing this analysis, please do have a backup copy of the shapefile. Now we need to have the we need to just input the shapefile over here, and we need to select the unwanted fields. So I'm going to select all except the rock type, and now I'm going to click OK. So you can see over here it's just performing the analysis. So now you can see the result has been come out, and the rest of the fields has been deleted except the rock type. You can see over here and check it. Please do have a backup copy of this shapefile whenever doing this analysis. So thanks for watching Terraspatial. Please do subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.